Menteri ketenat Bording Abu Tahir Mandal ula ong ba kamsyam don kanu ke Ïakren Halor ke Jingpynlip Bording ya Mynta bat ke ha ke jela ke dap ke Biang ha ke wei ke liang ula banjur Halor ke jing don kam ban pentikna ya ke Jingpynlip kam show jongki project Bording hapo ke jela ban penduna ya ke Jingkerdo Bording Halor ke Jingpendam ya ke Kinshi Power Project Menteri ula ong bana ke benda ke Kinshi Stage 1 ha ke beningkong ula soya ke soskular ke jingete dak ke wei ke kinhun penmi Bording balai lut bat ki kwa ya ke jingjrong jong kadam henry ke wei ne kidau ke dei namarba ke atomic energy kala kentat ya ke jingjrong jong kadam Naba kane kala ban wanra ya ke jingshlei haki jakati uranium ulai athuru ba ke tenat kadang kemi benia ban pentre kam ya ke project Bording hawa omyam
to see that we very judiciously use our electricity so that we don't have the situation that we have last time or last year we have suffered. We will try to minimize as much as possible. Yeah, we have planned on that way only to see that what I also feel very difficult to say because it will transpire that we are going for load shedding immediately. So far till now nothing like that, but maybe depending on the weather condition. Till now we have not discussed about load shedding. That we are self-sufficient is sufficient, water is there.